Hi, good morning. It is Friday, April 5th, 2019. Okay, let's see what, this is Paul, by the way. Spaulding Team at Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Let's see what's new on the market. I guess you probably knew who this was, but I just want to let you know, just in case you're new to the video. Okay, we have lowest price today, 1,110 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo built in 2003, 179.9. Pretty bright there. Okay, nice photography. Okay, it's an upstairs unit. I like those stairs. That's pretty nice how they put wood on top and the carpeting below. Ball dap through this, all that crown molding. It's a pretty nice little condo. Huh. Nice and clean. Pool spa area. And we are, where are we? We are on Alexander, okay, up in the northwest. Okay, so second, La Cienega, 805,000, 3,800 square foot, single story, 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, pool, and a spa. Huh, okay. Looks like the end of the cul-de-sac. Come in through the front door and go to the pool table. Okay. Pretty nice. What's that? Wet bar. Okay. Pretty nice house. Large lot. I don't know what you guys think about this, but I understand that it doesn't work too well. That's that solar heated pool. The water just flows through these pipes and heats the pool. Don't know how warm it gets, but I get mixed opinions on them. Never have experience using it myself. It's like a pretty large lot. What are we looking at here? Yeah, 21,000 square feet, half an acre lot. Pretty nice. And where are we? Gillespie and Bermuda. Good area there. Alright, sounds good. And then yesterday, lowest priced, $20,000 one-story manufactured home, 740 square feet, built in 63. Wow. Boarded up. Looks like somebody burned it up. Oh yeah. Pretty messed up. Wonder what they're selling here. see, that's what's inside of there. So it's a little garage there. Got all this stuff in it. Interesting. What does it say happened here? Great Smoky, yeah, no kidding. Severe fire damage. House muchly a TLC. Don't miss, make an offer today. You got a 6,000 square foot, 6,100 square foot lot. Short sale. That's not too good. So what are we doing here as far as the area goes? Sunrise Manor. Yeah, that's a rough one. Most expensive one yesterday, almost $8 million, 14,611 square feet, 7 bedrooms, 13 baths, 10 car garage, pool, spa, and 05. Huh. It's quite a house. Whew. Man. $8 million. Doesn't look that big. Playground here for the kids. Big wine cellar, game room, wet bar, theater. I think it doesn't have a bowling alley. Workout room. There we are, Summerlin area. So how large of a lot is this on? 3/4 of an acre. Amazing. Okie dokie. Let's see. 13, 15, 16, 663 houses in escrow. 339 sold. Let's see what we got here. One reported already today. Townhome, 1650 square feet, 170,000. Looks fairly nice. Twain and Pecos. Oh, Winchester there. Okay, sounds good. Then we've got manufactured home, 107,000. Got it sold though. Royal Ridge. gated. Okay. Pretty nice little place. 170,000. It seems like it's quite a bit. Double wide. Needs some upgrades. Okay. It's right off of what, Rainbow or Decatur or Lindell. Okay. Tropicana. It goes over there somewhere. Spring Valley area. Then yesterday, what did we have going on here? $895. Interesting one picture. Right off Horizon Ridge there. Okay. Oh, is it on the market? Just 184 days. That's interesting. Okay, well, that's the way it goes. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look at something here. We have 11 minutes going on here. So we are going to do this. Single family sold the last 2 days. Find out what the median is. See what would happen if we did this. There we go. So in the last 2 days, market wide, median sold price 305,000. 46 days. Okay. Last 2 days, maximum was an acre lot. Maximum price was 2.690. Minimum 130,000. 0 days. So that's what's going on in the market, and we will talk to you on Monday. Today is Friday. Bye.